In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out of X, formerly Twitter, in just a few seconds. This is a quick and simple tutorial, but if you've ever opened the app or website and couldn't find the logout option right away, this video will make it easy. Whether you're switching accounts, using a shared device, or just want to sign out for privacy, I'll walk you through the exact steps. And if this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fast and easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's get straight into it. To begin, open X on your device and make sure you're signed into the account you want to log out of. Once you're on the main screen, look at the bottom left corner of the interface and find your profile icon. This is the small icon that represents your account, and it's where X keeps the account and settings options. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. After you click it, a menu will appear with several options related to your account. In that menu, look for the Logout option. You may see it listed as Logout or Sign Out, depending on the version you're using, but it'll be the option that ends your current session. Click Logout and X will ask you to confirm that you want to sign out. Confirm the action if prompted and your account will be logged out successfully. That's all there is to it. You've now signed out of your X account using the profile icon in the bottom left corner. If you are looking for a quick way to switch accounts or secure your device, this is the fastest method. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more easy how-to guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.